Yeah, hello guys. I'm Michael Cloud. Welcome to my channel. Alright guys, today is about support and resistance. How you can trade your support and resistance, how you know a strong level of support and resistance, and how you can use an empty fall indicator to confirm your trade before you go for it. Alright, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So guys, the truth is you can stick with just one strategy and you can make it a binary option. Now, I've noticed that whenever, like when I was learning a whole lot of stuff on binary option, how to trade, I noticed that I just have a whole lot of strategy in my head. I want to do this, I want to do that. I see the setup, I'm going, I'm going, I'm going. Oh man, I was just losing most of the time. But when I decided to stick on one strategy, the breaker strategy, I was good. All right, because I started learning more about it. I started becoming a master of it. I started knowing things. I started seeing what I used to do wrong. I started seeing the setup that is wrong. Man, I use this past event to avoid some trades or know what wants to happen and know how to spot a good trade. Okay, that's how it works. So guys, if you can just master just how to trade support and resistance, you can actually make it here in this business. Because all you need to do using the money management system is to win 4 trades out of 10. All right. So let me show you how. Now, one way you can support a strong support level is a level that 3 candles, like what is happening here now, 3 strong candles are starting that level. Okay, like here right now, all right, okay, let me say here, let me just use here so that you see that that's what's affecting here. You see here, right here, you see, we have 1, 2, 3, very strong candles, all right, going in this direction. Then when the market retests to that level, it rejects it, okay? Now, also have strong candles, so it's going to take the market some time to break this level, all right, you see? Right here, it's going to take it some time. So now the market is coming here and the market is going like rejecting, getting to that resistance point and rejecting. Now, one thing you should know is that support and resistance is just a line, it's an area. For instance, let me show you this now. Now, take this off, okay? Now, this is our support. It's an area, it's not a line. It's an area. It's this area. So you see, when this market now close in this area, it's reversing. You get me, guys? All right. It is an area. All right. And it's a strong area because we have this candle 1, 2, 3 moving to the opposite direction here. All right. So when the market comes back here, see, it feels like it's broken it, but it's an area, all right? All this area, all right? So the market is rejecting from that level, all right? So that's one thing you should have in mind too. So that's how to spot a strong level. There has to be like 3 candles and above. 3 candles, straight 3 candles, strong candles moving in that direction, all right? So if you draw it, whenever the market comes down here, you should be expecting a reversal. So you see there's shifting points. It's not like it's here and it's here before, now it's here because this is a downtrend though. So it was here before, now it's here, so now it's here. So you get, they just shift points a bit, all right? They're not like straight, all right? So you should have that in mind, all right? So that is it. So another way you can use to get a good entry in this setup, you can come over here and change your candle to line. Let's do that and see. Now you see, it's a line and you can see the points very clear. Like I can see here, very sharp and clear. There was a rejection here. So this point is clear to me. You understand? So it's clear. You understand? So these are highest points, you see. These points are clear. So you can draw those points. So when the market is hitting that level, you can be able to take your entry very fast and get it to the highest point. Do you understand? All right, see, this point is clear. So those points are very clear when you're using the line chart. All right. So with the help of the MT4 indicator, like the support and resistance indicator, you can try this out. All right. So let's say we're here. Let me explain that. So Okay, hold on. Let me just find something that is very clear and clean. All right. Okay. Let's check this out. All right. So when the market came all the way from here and hit this level, and the stochastic, the green line is crossing the red line, that's when you go a put option, okay, or a low option for 5 minutes. So you're gonna take a trade somewhere around here when it crosses, crossing is happening, okay, then you're gonna win that trade for 5 minutes. All right. So for instance, let me show you. Okay, now you can do this. You can do this. See what happened here. Now, when it hits this level, it reversed. When it go here, I think here was a support, but you see, the market is reversing like in the middle. So it's close. It's not high up here. You get? So it's a strong downtrend. So you can't take this kind of trades even when you have a support here. You get me? All right. So, all right. So let's see. All right, see here. Now the market came all the way down here. All right, watch this. Came all the way down here. Then zoom in. So you see. Okay, it came all the way down here. What's wrong with this thing? All right, came all the way down here. So when the green line of our stochastic, don't forget our stochastic period is 533. Okay, don't forget that it's 533. So when it came all the way down and the green line crosses the red line, then you take your call option and you win the trade. All right, you go here, you're not taking this one. This one now, let me see, let me zoom in so see clearly. See, it's just moving around here. So but when this green line crosses the red line upward in the upward direction, we're going to take this trade. Oh, maybe we should just try this out now. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's crossing. Let's see. Is it crossed? Oh, market is in AUDJPY. Let's see. AUDJPY. Let's go to candle. Okay, let's take it. We're good. All right, we have a point there. So let's just go to candle chart. This line chart. So it's like it's heavy. I don't know. Okay, so we took a trade here for 5 minutes that is going up because when you come down here, the what do you call it? The candle got to our support level here, okay, and right now the green line is crossing the red line. That's why we took the trade. So we took it for 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, we're gonna see if our trade is closing above or below. So, but it works most of the time. All right, it works most of the time. Why did I take this trade? This is a strong level. 1, 2, 3 candle from that level going up. Okay, that's the condition. 1 to 3 candles, strong candles on that level. All right, so that's why I took the trade for 5 minutes. So I'm hoping, I know that this candle is going to close above my entry point. All right, so while I was talking about the pivot point thing, the line chart thing, let me explain that now. So I was talking about the line chart thing now is I would have entered my trade like from here, but this is going to be a winning trade. I don't have to be scared about it. I would have entered my trade from here, you get, with the line chart, knowing the sharp point where this is hitting the line. All right, so now I entered it right here. So that's what I was talking about the line, but the line is a bit like heavy. I don't know. So, okay, so see where our entry point should have been. Let me show you now. Yeah, you see here? Don't know why this thing is just acting up. So our entry point should have been here. You get, say, this point here. So, but it's not a big deal. And it's going to be a winning trade because we're taking this trade on a very strong level. All right? Now, a very strong level. Look at it here. Very strong level. Let's look at it here. So, it's a very strong level. See? Now, support and resistance is just not a line. It's not just this line. It's an area. It's not just a line. Okay? It's an area. See, it's an area. Okay, this is how you draw it. It's not this one line, it's an area, it's this whole area. Okay, all right. Yeah, so I told you now how you spot it is we have 1, 2, 3 strong candles heading on this opposite direction here. So that's why you know this is a strong level. Okay, if I had like 1, 2 candle and a red candle here, no, no, no. So you have to have 1, 2, 3 strong candles heading in the opposite direction. That's where you know a strong level. This is a strong level. 1, 2, 3. This is a strong level. Whenever the market is going to get to this level, the market is going to react. It's not can't just come here and break it. So it's going to react. All right. So that's how you know a strong level. So I knew this is a strong level. That's why I told you we're going to win this trade. It's a sure one. Okay. I'm not saying this strategy is 100%, but if you check out some conditions and we're able to avoid some setup, like for instance, if this was like a very strong downtrend, the market is moving like this, a very strong downtrend. All right. I wouldn't have taken this trade. I would have taken the trade in the direction of the trend. Like I would take in the resistance trade only, for instance. So let me show you guys on the MT4. Like for instance, how will I do this now? Okay, hold on. Okay, see, we have a clear downtrend here. So I'll prefer to take this one here. Okay, why? Because we have a downtrend. So when the market hits this level and is crossing, the red line is crossing the green line, the stochastic, okay, it's crossing here, I will take the trade. All right, you get, yeah, that's how it works. Is this our trade? I don't think so. So let's see. Oh, it is our trade. All right, so let's watch what happens. So but I know we're gonna win this trade. We're gonna win this trade. There's no, I'm gonna argue this one. All right. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, guys. All right. So let's see what happens. What time is it? Remaining 18, 17. So let's watch. Oh, we're gonna lose. No, we can't lose this trade. It's not a news time. So market can just decide to do whatever we want to do, but we're gonna win this trade. Our entry point is good. So let's watch. And we are in a strong level. All right, we won the trade. All right, so what I'm trying to say is if you can just stick on this, you can win a trade. You can win a lot of trades. Like for instance now, okay, let me show you something. The kind of trades you need to avoid. Okay, right now, this kind of trade now is good because see, we're on a downtrend and this market is trying to hit this resistance level. Are you seeing this, guys? Okay, so let's say this market gets here, is a good one. Great Britain USD. All right, see. You see, it's trying to get there. The market touches there, and you have your stochastic green line crossing the red line. You take the trade, but this has not met our condition, so we're taking it right here. So guys, this is the setup, all right? So I wish you good luck. If you need this, just chat me up on Telegram. I'm going to give it to you. Just follow the rules, all right? All you need to do is win 4 trades out of 10 every day. And grow your capital from 10 to 11%. And you're going to be amazed what you're going to get at the end of the month. All right, guys. I wish you good luck. I just thought I should share this. Love you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.